Hey my queens and royals, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Riley, I post daily and I hope you enjoy the content that I put in my videos. Anyways, in today's video I am going to be talking about my offers for the large rainbow skirt and the Mermaid Halo 2020 or Spring Halo 2020. So if you have the large rainbow skirt and the Mermaid Halo 2020 or the Spring Halo 2020, please do put in the large rainbow skirt as well as the one halo. I don't mind if it's the Mermaid Halo or the Spring Halo, but yeah, my offer's definitely going to be in the description. Now my offer's kind of cross trading, but it's going to be worth it because yeah. So please DM me on Twitter. My Twitter is RileyRoyale1. And yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Royal Army. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hold on, where's my mouse?